Hey, it's Declan Ryan, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Cash Crew, or Cash Crew Launch as it's known. I'm going to be looking at this product, which is just like many products that I've reviewed, and just giving my thoughts on it and actually allowing you to make your own informed decision. I'll also be giving you a couple of recommendations for a few alternatives if you find that this isn't, as the Canadian voiceover says, your cup of tea. So let's start with this first of all. Now, what is Cash Crew? It's basically another one of a long line of binary options trading programs. You'll have seen many of my reviews that I've covered on products similar to this in the past. If you're not familiar with what binary options trading is, just a quick recap. It's basically you're betting whether on stocks, currencies or commodities, whether their value is going to go up or down in a certain time frame. If it goes up or if it goes down and you've bet to go either way, then you win, and if it goes the opposite way to which you've bet, then you lose. As simple as that. Now, so what these softwares claim they can do is actually automate the whole process for you so that you don't have to do anything, and they generally have wild, extravagant claims about how much money they're going to earn, and usually very precise claims as well. So this is hosted by this wonderful gentleman calling himself George Patterson. The chances are very likely that he's just an actor. His picture's been taken from a stock library, which is what usually happens with these things. And a thing to point out is, even though it says it's free, the software is free, but without a broker to go with the software is absolutely useless. So that's where you're going to start paying and digging into your pocket. So you're going to need to fund your broker with at least $250, which is what they don't tell you at the start off. So there's no guarantees whatsoever that you're going to get that $250 back. And the chances are, if the broker is unregulated, as happens with an awful lot of these softwares, you can kiss your money goodbye, because they are licensed outside of the UK or the US, and that means that if you have any issues like refunds or even many times withdrawing your profits, it's very difficult to do so. Now, with a broker that's regulated, that's inside the US or the UK, you've got comeback, you've got a support desk, you've got the law behind you. If it's outside of those countries or their jurisdictions, then you're basically whistling for your money. So either way, it's important that you know that binary options trading is a completely legitimate business. However, you do need to know your stuff. You need to know market trends, you need to know Bollinger Bands, stochastics, candlesticks, you need to have an indicator strategy so as to be able to make use of those things. If you don't know what those things are, it's best to steer clear of products like this until you find yourself a mentor and somebody who can actually teach you how to do it and how to do it properly. I did a small amount of trading many years ago. I didn't find it I found it too stressful, to be honest. I also like the residual element of businesses, that you do the work and then you build up your team by building up residual income. That is, to me, the ideal kind of a business. Now, with trading, you're pretty much only as good as your last trade. There are some good products out there, but as I say, you need to put work in. There's none of this push button software. None of them actually work. What happens is that software programs like this, they can't react to market conditions. Events in the financial news or even ordinary news make a huge dent in people's trading analyses, and these software, they just can't adapt fast enough, so you need to be on top of that. You also need to be familiar with the various strategies and how to use them, which you'll get from your mentor. Now, if this is really not your cup of tea, as the charming Canadian in the review says, then I have an alternative for you. I teach people how to make money online. However, I'll say at the outset, it requires work. So if you're thinking that you're just going to sit on a sofa and do nothing, then you best just go off to another software or business that's going to take your money. I work with a business and I have a team around me. We meet regularly, we discuss, we have masterminds, we have millionaire teachers also as part of our team. And so if that sounds something that you're interested in, click on the link down below, yourprofitformula.com. I really look forward to speaking to you there. I will be your personal coach and your mentor. So I'm not going anywhere. I'm not like a sponsor who's just going to disappear as soon as you put your details in. You do get an option to try out the business before you commit to it as well. So we've got absolutely nothing to hide, but lots of results to show you. If that's something that you're interested in, then I really look forward to speaking to you soon. If you found this video to be useful, then do go ahead and subscribe, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Meantime, make it a great day.